Hello guys, my name is Ashok. I was in India back in February for a dental treatment as I was in severe pain as lost one of my caps on the tooth. So I had that treatment done back in 2019 at one of the corporate hospitals. Back then they did the root canal and put a cap on the tooth. So everything was okay, comfortable for the first few months, and then I started sensing pain whenever I eat any cold stuff or anything hard. Then I thought maybe it's quite common because it's not as natural as the other tooth. But eventually the pain got worse, and I lost that cap. And then I was in severe pain, so I had no option, but I had to visit the local dentist here in Albany, New York. So I went to a couple of dentists, but because of my insurance limitations, not much was covering. So the bill's supposed to be very expensive. Then I had no choice, but I had to delay it for a couple of months as I was planning an India trip, and I knew, it can be much cheaper and probably same or better treatment over in India. Then, I was quite lucky to make a trip in the middle of the pandemic back in February with my family as soon as the international travel opened. So, then we all went to India. So I was visiting my younger brother in Kukatpally, and I shared him my experience and one of the reasons why I'm back home. So he talked about going to the same corporate hospital where I had my dental treatment done back in 2019 and had it rechecked and treated. And then a couple of other options he gave me around where he lives. So one of them was this young man's clinic, Anil Dental. So he said one of his friend's wives recently went there, and she had her treatment done, and ever since she's been talking very highly about her treatment. So I said, okay, let's go check it out for a visit, and then we did. So this young man was very professional. He really explained everything about how the pain and what's the cause for it, and how it can be treated. Initially I thought he's just trying to be extra nice because eventually he's going to slam me with a bigger bill. Probably that was the end goal. So I was just being patient and listening to all the details. But to my surprise, I was wrong. The treatment was excellent, and the bill was way below I thought. I was probably just jumping to a conclusion too early. But the treatment was done back in February, and since then he had follow-up text messages and calls, and that was very surprising. And that is where I thought Anil Dental stands out in comparison with any other corporate clinics or dental hospitals. Even here, I haven't had quite the same experience where a doctor himself kind of sends a follow-up messages and things. But I thought maybe he's just trying to be nice to me because I was visiting from here, from New York, and maybe he doesn't do the same thing for patients locally. Then a couple of reviews I've checked online, looks like that's his common practice, which is great. And I think that's something which probably makes a difference when you compare with any other dentist or other physical practitioners. So this experience is unbelievably great. Although I've been thinking about making a review for Anil Dental for past few months, I just wanted to give some time to see how the treatment is after a number of months, right? So it's been totally great, and I want to thank you for all your service. And anybody who's looking for a dentist in Hyderabad or around Kukatpally area, I strongly recommend Anil Dental, and I think he did a great job, and his billing rates are so low, and his care is excellent. Thank you so much again. All right, guys, bye.